Because you got your little fast car, so let me go ahead and
let me tell you something. It's faster than yours. If you wouldn't be following me, you cannot catch me on this car.
You've been doing
Sorry about
shit?
that.
That was suspicious to me.
Do your job right, bro.
That was suspicious to me.
Do your job right.
I am doing my job right.
No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. I saw you cutting people over. You cut the Mustang behind there. Literally, you cut the Mustang. If I would have do it myself, I would have been pulled over.
How do I know that you're not trying to harm me by doing that? How do I know? Exactly.
I made more money than you, bro.
It doesn't. Good for you.
I made more money than you.
That doesn't mean a damn thing. What does that mean? What does that mean?
A driver notices a cop weaving dangerously through traffic, cutting off a Mustang and speeding at 95 miles per hour. This isn't just reckless, it's illegal, as California Vehicle Code Section 22,350 states. No person shall drive a vehicle upon a highway at a speed greater than is reasonable or prudent. The driver, a mechanic with a calibrated Dodge, records the whole thing and pulls up behind the cop to confront him. The cop's behavior reeks of entitlement, acting as if his badge puts him above the law, yet the driver stays calm and collected, using facts to challenge him.
Hey, how you doing, Deputy?
I'm doing great.
Nice to meet you. My name is Zaid. I was just wondering because I've been coming off since exit 33, and you'll be cutting people off and driving at 90, 95 miles per hour, and I recorded it.
How do you know I'm doing 90, 95 miles an hour?
I'm right behind you.
Okay. Is your vehicle caliber?
I work with Dodge. I calibrate myself. I'm a mechanic.
Is your vehicle caliber to be able to detect how fast someone is going?
I have a miles per hour.
You're not answering my question.
I'm answering your question.
No, it's not.
Yes, sir.
No, you're not.
Yes, sir.
Is your vehicle caliber?
And I saw you cutting people over. You cut the Mustang behind there. Literally, you cut the Mustang. If I would have do it myself, I would have been pulled over.
I haven't cut anybody over.
Yes, sir.
First of all, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
And again,
yes,
how do you know how fast I was going?
Yes, sir. I'm right behind you.
Okay. So is your vehicle calibered?
Yes.
You're doing it on purpose because
you
want to do this.
I'm not.
Yes, you
I don't want to do it. It's the first time that I do it, actually.
No, you're doing it because
you know what? I'm a taxpayer. You know, and you guys are supposed to put an example on the public.
Okay.
And when I'm seeing that, and if I were to do it myself, nothing against you, brother. Nothing against you. But if I were to be
doing this on purpose because you want to go ahead and put your little
I'm not gonna put this. I'm not gonna put this on social media at all. I'm just recording this for the safety of the both of us. And if you decide to get me any kind of ticket or something, or you decide to cite me
at all, I'm
just taking it to court. You feel me?
Let me put it to you like this.
Yeah.
You've been tailgating the shit out of me. You've been following me.
No,
that's the only reason why I've been doing what I did.
I'm not.
That's the only reason why, because I was trying to watch it. You're pattern of driving.
Right.
That is the only reason why I was doing it. Because you got your little fast car. So let me go ahead and
let me tell you something. It's faster than yours. If you wouldn't be following me, you cannot catch me on this car.
It doesn't matter.
Let's start from there.
Information so you can get.
Good for you, bro.
Guess what?
Good for you.
You live in Plant City.
Good for you. I don't live in Plant City, bro. I don't live in Plant City.
Then you know what? You're supposed to change.
So you just admitted it that you run my plate?
Yeah, I ran your tag.
For what?
Right now,
for
I just
what?
ran your tag.
For what?
What you were doing
for
just
what?
now.
For
you're
what?
On a public
what?
Road. You're on a public road. Okay?
What?
Listen to me.
What type of violations I have committed?
None.
None.
You're on a public road.
Thank you. I'm on a public road. I can do whatever I want.
I can run any tag. There is no expectancy of privacy.
What was your suspicion?
Okay.
To run my tag.
You've been following me.
It doesn't matter. You can follow. You can follow.
How do I know you're not up to something?
You can follow. You can.
As the confrontation continues, the cop realizes the driver has been keeping pace, not to harass, but to document his actions. This isn't tailgating. California Vehicle Code Section 21,703 clarifies the driver of a motor vehicle shall not follow another vehicle more closely than is reasonable and prudent. And the driver's just navigating a crowded freeway. The driver shuts it down with, "It's a freeway, bro. Everyone's going the same way." What starts as an attempt to intimidate falls apart as the driver refuses to back down, exposing the cop's power trip for what it is, a flimsy show of authority with no substance behind it.
How do I know that you're not trying to harm me by doing that? How do I know? Exactly.
I made more money than you, bro.
It doesn't. Good for you.
I made more money than you.
That doesn't mean a damn thing. What does that mean? What does that mean? You make more money than me.
I make more money than you.
What does that mean?
I make more.
But what does that mean?
That means that I'm not gonna inflict any kind of problems on myself to have any kind of like issues or something going on to fuck my life up,
you
bro.
make no sense, none whatsoever.
Right,
now.
you're the one not making sense, cutting people over and driving at 95 per hour.
The only reason I was doing
I
that
have it
because
on
I've seen-
video,
I've seen
bro.
what you've been doing.
I have it on video.
I've been seeing what you've been doing.
Okay,
You've been-
sir.
You've been,
Okay, sir.
Every time I change lanes,
Right.
you change lanes.
Right.
That's
I
what
can.
you've been doing this whole time.
I cannot. There's a law that doesn't allow me to cut people.
Not when you're following a cop. With all the shit, with all the stuff that's been going on lately,
How-
I don't trust anybody that's
How?
doing that.
Okay, so by
Let me
law,
put it to you like this.
by law, how much apart I have to be from you?
Listen, every time I change
you answer my
lanes,
question?
Every time I change lanes,
Can you-
change
can
lanes.
you
What
answer
is the
my
reason for
question,
that?
sir?
Why have you been following
Can
me?
you answer my question?
No, you answer me. Why have
No,
you
I
been
don't
following
have
me?
to answer you anything.
Why have you been following me?
If I decide myself right now, I just plead the fifth and I shut the fuck up. Because I don't answer
then
questions.
Let's do that and have a nice day.
Yes, sir. Have a good day, okay?
I don't trust anybody. I just got shot back in October.
I'm sorry
that's the
about
reason-
that.
So that's the reason why I don't
Sorry
trust
about that,
anybody.
bro.
And the way you've been doing
Sorry
all
about
shit,
that.
that was suspicious
Sorry about-
to me.
do your job
that
right,
was
bro.
suspicious to me.
Do your job
I
right.
am doing my job right.
No,
I've been
you're
doing
not.
this job a long
No, you're
time.
not. No, you're
I've been
not.
doing this job a long
You work
time.
for me, bro. I don't work
I
for
don't
you.
work for you.
Yes, sir, you do.
Yeah, I don't work for you.
Am I a taxpayer?
I don't work
So
for you.
what? How do you get
I do
paid?
not work
How do
for
you get paid,
I
bro?
do not work
How do
for
you get paid?
Give me a raise then if you.
How do
if
you
I
get
work for
paid?
you.
How
Give me a raise.
How do you get paid?
Give me a raise.
Give you a raise if you're not doing your job right.
You said I work for you.
Yeah, you work for me.
Then give me a
My
raise.
taxes pay your
Give me a
salary,
raise.
bro.
Then give me a raise.
No, I will not. If I would have been your boss, I would have like literally.
raise.
I
You
would
said you work for
I
me,
would have
so
been
guess
giving you a
what?
warning,
Give me
bro.
a raise.
I would have given. I would have
me
been
a
giving
raise.
you a warning, bro.
Give me a raise. I want a raise.
No, you don't deserve a raise.
I want a raise. You say you work for that. I work for you.
Please defeat me, bro.
You're a clown, man.
Have a good day,
Be
bro.
careful.
Yes, sir.
Drive careful.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
I always do. Never
Yeah,
had an
drive
accident.
careful. Drive careful.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Cuídate por ahí.
Have a
okay?
good day.
Cuídate por ahí.
You have a good day.
You do the same.
Yeah, me
Be
cuido
careful.
por ahí every single day.
Yep. Don't speed.
All right, brother. Yeah, of course. You're not gonna catch me, bro.
By now, the cop's flustered, but the driver's not fazed. He knows his rights. California Penal Code Section 148 defines obstructing an officer, yet the driver's doing no such thing, even pleading the fifth when the cop demands unnecessary answers. The driver lands a knockout blow. My taxes pay your salary, bro. Do your job right. The driver, armed with logic and evidence, turns the tables, proving that a smart citizen can dismantle a power-tripping cop without breaking a sweat. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.